In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Substack. If you're new to Substack, it's a platform where you can read and follow newsletters, and the sign-in process uses a simple, secure one-time code sent to your email. I'll walk you through each step and share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open Substack. You can do this in any modern web browser by going to the Substack website, or by opening the Substack app if you have it installed. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you can access the email account you plan to use. Once Substack is open, click the Sign In button. On desktop, you'll typically find it at the top right of the page. On mobile or in the app, it may be in a menu or clearly labeled on the welcome screen. Clicking Sign In takes you to a screen where you'll be prompted for your email address. Enter your email address carefully. Use the address associated with your Substack account or the one you want to use to sign in. Double-check for typos. Extra spaces or a missing character can prevent the login email from arriving. Next, click Continue. This tells Substack to send a one-time login code to your inbox. Keep the Substack page open while you switch over to your email. Now, check your email inbox. The message usually arrives within a few seconds, but it can take a minute depending on your provider. If you don't see it right away, refresh your inbox and look in folders like spam or promotions. Searching for Substack can also help you find it quickly. Open the login email when it arrives. Inside, you'll see a one-time code. This code is time-sensitive and can only be used once, so plan to enter it right away. Copy the code exactly as shown. Highlight it and copy, being careful not to include any extra spaces. On mobile, a long press usually brings up the copy option. Keep this code private. Treat it like a password. Go back to the Substack page and put in the code. You can paste it directly into the verification field. If pasting doesn't work, type it in manually and pay close attention to characters that can look similar, like the number 0 and the letter O. Once you submit the correct code, you'll be signed in and taken to your Substack home or dashboard. That's all there is to it. Open Substack, click Sign In, enter your email, click Continue, check your inbox, open the login email, copy the code, and put in the code. Thanks for watching and enjoy reading on Substack.